All right, we got number 20 and 21. Corresponding angles. What are corresponding angles? Corresponding angles. What does that mean? Okay, corresponding angles are angles that are on the same side. They're non-adjacent, but one's going to be interior and one's going to be exterior. Okay? So, they are same side, non-adjacent. So go not adjacent, right? Same side, not adjacent, interior and exterior angles. That's what they are. It's a nice little example of what they are. And I just said a whole lot with a little. Welcome to geometry, right? Because we got symbols now. We're going to use our symbols a lot. Okay? Alright, what the heck does that mean? Well, I'll show you one, and you show me more. Okay? Because there's a lot of these corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are like this. Let's say I have this block of wood. Right? And I make a cut. This angle and this angle are corresponding. Okay? They're corresponding. So the angle to the outside and the angle to the inside correspond to each other. Now in this case, the transversal goes this way, right? So if I'm going to be talking about this guy, number one, I need to be talking about on the same side, not adjacent, and if this is exterior, it has to be interior. There's only one more. Does that make sense? If I'm talking about number one, there's only one that's on the same side, not adjacent, and it's interior, and that would be 6. Does everyone see that? Hands up if you see that. Thumbs up. Thumbs sideways if you don't. If you really don't, I want to see it down. Come on. I need to see everyone. Because I'm about to start picking. Alright, here we go. Corresponding angle 1 and angle 6. Or, who's got me? Miranda. Number 4. What corresponds with number 4?
I don't know. 5?
Oh, perfect. Yeah. So it's on the same side, but it's inside. This one's outside. So 1 and 5. Or is it Kalia? Help me again. Your name. I got it right? Nice. Whoop, whoop. Okay. Alright, bring it to me. What's corresponding to 7? So it's on the same side, but it's in here. It's in the red. 2. There you go. It's not that bad, right? Angle 7 and 2. Okay? There's one more. Let's see. Alan. You're hiding your face really well. Alright. Alan. With number 8. Which one's corresponding? Now it has to be on the same side, but in the red. in the red, same side. Now then, help me out. Corresponding to 8.
I do not know.
3. Do you see that, Alan?
Nope.
It's hard to see when you're not looking.
And
Let's try.
glasses, yeah.
Huh?
And glasses, yeah.
Oh, need your glasses. Yeah. Okay.
When the glasses?
Yeah.
Couple more days?
Williams.
Yes, sir.
It's 1 in 5. And it's not.
1 in
It's
5?
You put 1 in 5, but it's 4 in 5.
Oh, my bad. That's 4 in 5. Silly man. And 7 and 2 and or which one did we just say? 8 and 3. Thank you. Thank you. I don't want to mess that up. Okay. So those are corresponding. Right? Those are corresponding. Okay. All right? And it doesn't really mean anything when they're not parallel. But when they're parallel, we're going to see that some of them become congruent. Some of them become what we call supplementary. Okay? All right. 21. Is that still filming? 21. Alternate interior angles. How many are getting the hang of this whole alternate? Did I say interior or exterior? Interior? Interior angles. This little symbology, right? Alternate interior angles. Now you could be as lazy, if you want, as to go AI angles. That's fine with me. Okay? But we have to write something. You either write the whole word, alternate interior, partial words, or at least the first words, right? So AI, AE, SS for same side, SSI, SSE for same side interior, same side exterior. You feel me? Don't be feeling me. That's gross. Back off. All right. Alternate exterior angles. What does that mean to be alternate? Alternating. Yeah, it goes from one side to the other side of the transversal. Of the transversal. What does it mean to be interior? It has to be red. It has to be in the red. It's interior. So to be alternate interior means that if I'm 2, I have to go to the other side, but it cannot be adjacent.
So 2 and 5?
So 2 and 5. Okay? So these cannot be adjacent. Remember, did we say that earlier? Non-adjacent. These are non-adjacent. Alternating sides. Okay? So we said 2 and 5. And there's one more. 3 and
6.
Alan, 3 and what? Oh, you don't have glasses. Eduardo, 3 and
8.
nope. Has to be interior. Has to be in the red. Can't be on the same side.
5.
3 and cannot be on the same side. It cannot be 2 because 2 would be adjacent. So you got the right idea. It's on the other side, right? But it can't be 2 because 2 is adjacent. 3 and
6.
yes. Does that make sense? So it's going to be 2 and 5, 3 and 6. Alternate interior. Okay?
Didn't you say 5? I said 5.
All right. So that'll be 20 and 21. How are we doing so far?